So
Wow, this one's cool. Making a nice little cut.
Yeah, but
It didn't look very straight, but
because I think she didn't have enough power to push it
hey,
straight.
she's a strong lady, okay?
No, I mean not about lady.
Archie,
I mean,
what the heck?
What? When did you start?
Archie, oh my gosh!
Maybe I'm not that strong as well.
Okay.
As well.
This is interesting. What is the point of that?
It's
mini
a
room?
laser level.
Oh, okay.
Glue.
Glue to connect your wires.
And
Some UV
yeah.
hardening.
to activate. Up to activate.
All right. No, my glasses are broken. I'm never gonna see again.
Oh, that was
What?
freaked out. Nothing. I relate him. It will not hear anything.
Now we have a nice little multi-tool. I have one of these. They're pretty cool. The snowflake. And it also opens your bottles. And it also does your taxes. And it also calls your ex-girlfriend in the middle of the night when it's crying.
I want it,
And it also unscrews things.
but it's
Oh no, it doesn't work. How am I ever gonna get there? Oh my gosh. You use a special tool
that's what.
with a nice little bearing. Wow, this one looks cool. That looks dangerous.
Yeah. Wow.
All right.
Nice
Okay.
adjustable tool.
You can do that.
Yeah. You can do that.
You could do that, or you couldn't. Who knows? It's up to you. Your life is your own, sonny boy. This is nice.
Sonny boy.
I'd like to see if you could do that with paper, like a really thick paper sheet.
What exactly?
The blade.
The blade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And now we have a hole.
Hole for what? Just
Hole for being a hole. No need to be anything else.
What is this for then?
Rough edges. Oh no!
Okay. Oh,
Gotta
that's
smooth out those edges, baby. Mm-hmm.
How would you call this gadget?
I would call that a smoother of edges gadget.
Okay.
I call it a smooger.
Smooger.
Yeah, I think
love
smooger
it.
works,
I
yeah.
love it.
Double nail.
Okay.
It didn't look very straight.
I mean, nothing special what happened.
No.
What's happened, but
Okay, we're drilling in. We're putting blunt drill bit. No!
of course, because you use it. That was a drill bit for the metal.
You just gotta stop
Wasn't for
abusing your drill bits, man. And yeah, it was the wrong drill bit. They're trying to fool us
Yeah.
with their 5-minute magic. We don't fall for their 5-minute tricks.
Hello.
We're 5-minute geniuses,
Oh boy!
but we're 5-minute actually not.
no.
The comments don't like it when we say we're geniuses. Oh no, we're stuck.
Wow.
What are we gonna do? Car mat.
How did you get there?
All right,
Well,
that's pretty good.
that's pretty.
You want?
It's for the cover. You
Yeah.
know, the additional cover without any.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, fine. I wouldn't spray paint my car like that, so I think that's a no.
That's true.
What is this? It's a toilet for your car. Genius!
Excuse me.
If you ever have a road trip and you've had way too much Taco Bell, this is it. Oh, and we're getting the display. Thank you. 5-minute
Oh
crafts.
boy.
Jeez.
What the
And
stinky
then
car
throw it away.
you have after all.
I don't know. It's kind of genius to me. Like, what if you're on the road and you're just like, oh no, I need
You
to
just
do my
go to the
business.
gas station.
What if there's no gas station? What if you're stranded in the Arizona desert?
I don't know. You need to. Okay.
See?
You'll need to
See?
think in advance and go to the forest. You know.
No, make a DIY 5-minute craft toilet sponsored by 5-minute crafts.
Okay, you do you guys. If you wanna.
Nice little recorder for your car, but it'll drain your phone battery, of course.
You can charge it.
True, yeah, but then you have a big cable going up over the screen. See,
I
there's
like
so many
that.
problems.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You have no problem about toilet in the car, but you have problem with the charger.
There's no
the
flaws
cables.
to a toilet in the car. It's just social conventions stopping you from reaching your full limits.
With with the deodorant.
Did you say upgrade? Because I said update.
I said upgrade.
Ah, do both.
Yes!
And if you're thinking of scrolling down, don't do it. Look at me, you. No, scroll back up. Look at me, you. Look at the cars with us. Cool. Okay, so we have some nice toothpaste.
So you'll know more.
You'll know more about cars.
Yes.
Even if you don't have one. Even if you just have a bicycle. Even if you have a tricycle. Even if you have a unicycle. You can relate to these hacks because they all have, wait for it, wheels!
Yeah!
Yeah, okay.
So now you know how to paint your wheels.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
cool.
good.
All right, so now we ruin our deck of cards though.
Ooh, there's no way.
And okay, blow it up with an extinguisher. Okay,
Yeah,
sure, why not?
extinguisher your wheels.
Yeah, actually, before you start driving, just attach a chain to it, and yeah. Okay, so we got a pop tire. We're gonna clean it up.
So just
Spray it down. Looks like a clean pop tire now.
Yep.
Some more spray. Scrub.
Scrub. And after 5 minutes of driving, they still dirty.
They still don't. It's like, this didn't fix it.
Yeah. Okay. I understand the point why when they cleaned up rhymes, but what about the tire? I mean, these parts.
Yeah.
What
exactly.
is this for?
I don't know. So they refilled the tire up with air, right? But that didn't really get rid of the problem. Oh, they're coloring it now.
Okay, what about breaking these?
Yeah.
They also colored them.
You ruined all of those playing cards. I could have showed you an awesome magic trick.
Well, it's...
Why are you doing this to the car?
Okay, now I got it. They
Now I
don't
don't
care
like
about their car.
Yeah, they just don't care at all. They're like,
Yes.
this is the end of the line for me. I just got fired. I'm just gonna mess stuff up.
Okay.
Wow.
Interesting way how to speed up the...
Yeah, I like how there's a disclaimer there, like, don't do this. Never do this.
So...
Oh, we're drawing little cartoons on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With a Sharpie. I don't think they're gonna last, for very long. If it rains or anything.
But I don't know, maybe they put some varnish on it and just to cover it.
Yeah, maybe they can varnish it. Yeah.
We'll see.
Oh, I like the mustache guy.
Ooh.
I mean, it looks kind of cute. I don't want to lie. But
I mean, okay. You do. I mean,
I just don't think it's gonna last.
We gotta destroy some. How it calls?
It's a wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
Okay. So we break this pipage. Why would you ruin a perfectly good wheelbarrow, is what I'm wondering. I know it's for kids, for their fun, but you gotta wheelbarrow stuff. You gotta carry heavy items up slopes and such. I remember I have traumatic memories of wheelbarrowing giant stones for my grandpa down and up this drive. It was like a ton, literally probably a ton worth of stones, and it took me a whole month to move them all down. And then it was for a fountain he wanted to make.
Oh, okay.
The next summer he was like, don't want to make the fountain anymore, move it back up. And I moved him all the way back up.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Whoa.
He was like, oh, it's a hazard for if anyone comes in here and falls in my fountain, they're gonna get me. And I'm like, okay.
Yeah,
why did you involve me in this?
You sound traumatized.
I was, yeah.
Wow. This just, yeah. But sometimes it happens.
Yeah. Okay, so we're doing some major, some soldering here.
Welding.
Some welding, that is.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like an extension on the side of the bike. For what? For what?
Assistant. But still,
He doesn't have no one else is there. It's just him. Oh, you mean the invisible cameraman?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, there is no cameraman.
There is no cameraman.
Yeah.
You're seeing this happen right now.
Yeah. This.
You're seeing us watching this right now. We're watching from above.
Yeah.
Sounds weird.
Yeah. It's happened right now.
How is this gonna work?
It's.
It has car seats on it.
So, which is nice now.
It's heavy.
Yeah, but how is. Okay. I mean.
I'm afraid for the kids. Sincerely.
Don't worry. Who cares?
No!
They will be fine.
No! But what about the children? All right, we're drilling into this, and we have some off-brand cola. These poor kids.
No, they will Okay,
Now they're
so
gonna
first
have a sugar rush. And we got Big Strong Daddy pulling us along.
and it's a rush.
Trucking us along. So
Wow.
I think
What do you-
personally that dads have supernatural strength. Do you think that is a thing?
For sure.
I think once you have
sure.
children, you automatically become 10 times stronger than the average human being.
That's definitely.
I think so.
We need to test it.
We should actually test it.
Yeah.
So our next test will be we'll be having children and then testing if we're stronger or not.
Yes.
Let us know in the comments if you want to see that.
So we'll see.
I need to go through so many steps first. All right, give us more
More reactions
right now. I guess.
No.